Hi, let's read it together. God made friends by the Clever Factory. God made us to laugh. He made us to share. God made us to play. He made us to care. Uh-oh. God made us to listen. Listen and learn. He made us to make peace. So nice. God made friends. And God made you and me. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye. See you next time.